So ever since the crypto market put in a local top in early March 2024, we have seen a sea of red on the crypto market cap and all these altcoins. Well, today we see a sea of green. And what's the change of pace about? Well, we have Ethereum putting in a very strong daily candle. From high to low, this daily candle went up around 21%, give or take. And what was the reason for this really big Ethereum comeback off of the support level at $2,800? Well, I've been discussing this at length in my live streams over the past few weeks, how my stance was that the Ethereum Spot ETF would actually get approved in May. I got a ton of pushback, a ton of backlash from people watching my streams, commenting on my videos, saying that there's no way the ETF will get approved. Well, lo and behold, a lot changed in the blink of an eye, it seems. Overnight, we have a 75% chance that the Ethereum Spot ETF will get approved. We can take a look at this tweet here from this mainstream media figurehead, talking head Eric, works at Bloomberg. And he's saying that the odds of the Spot Ether ETF approval is now 75% from 25%. The SEC could be doing a 180 on this because of an increasingly political issue. Well, what is that political issue? It's the fact that one political party in the US has been heavily anti-crypto, trying to pass legislation, suing crypto companies for the past 4 years now. We all know what party that is. And now they're doing a full 180 because they realize that nobody's going to vote for them when the election happens this November if they keep their stance on crypto that they've held. So what do they need to do? They need to switch it up to buy votes because they're little rats. That's what they always do. All right, so this is no surprise to me. I've been saying how I think the Ethereum Spot ETF will get approved. I've held my stance on that. Go watch my live streams if you don't believe me. Anyways, I really don't care. But now we can see the market going ahead and pricing in the fact that there's a very strong chance, a 75% chance, that the ETH Spot ETF will get approved in May 2024, sorry. The deadline is only a few days away. We saw ETH go right up to this resistance level at 3,700. And just above that is really the all-time high. If we go to the weekly time frame, the all-time high is in the 4,800. Once ETH can get above 4,100, we are in attacking distance of this all-time high, and it can happen relatively quick, especially if this ETF does get approved. We are also seeing the ETH Bitcoin chart bounce heavily. This put in a very strong reversal from high to low. It reversed around 17%. So this is showing that Ethereum could be finally coming out of the gutter versus Bitcoin and breaking a multi-year downtrend. Now, if this happens, if the ETF gets approved, if we see Ethereum start to outperform Bitcoin, it's going to be really, really bullish for our altcoins. And this is what I've been expecting now for some time and discussing with you guys at length throughout my live streams over the past few weeks and months. So it's really good to see it start to play out. And it's good to see the market go ahead and give some confirmation to my stance, to my bias on the market. So this is all very exciting, but it's not the only bullish catalyst we have going for us in the crypto market right now. As you know, artificial intelligence is the next industrial revolution. It is changing the world, and AI cryptocurrencies have been the best performing sector of the market for this cycle so far. And I don't expect that to necessarily change. In tomorrow, actually, I was going to say a few days, but actually tomorrow we have the NVIDIA earnings announcement, May 22nd. And if we look at the NVIDIA chart, it is right at the all-time highs. So if these earnings come back bullish, I do expect NVIDIA to pump, even though it's extremely overextended to the upside already. I expect it to pump into price discovery again. And what does that mean for our AI coins? It means they're also most likely going to start to really outperform and put in some really good numbers to the upside for us. So that's another factor we have to consider. Now, when it comes to some of these AI coins, some of the larger market cap ones like Render already has recovered from its dip. It was one of the fastest to recover from the dip, and it is in striking distance of its all-time high. Tau putting in a reversal right now. We had higher time frame bullish divergence, looking like it wants to break out. It's at $435 now. All-time high is at 777. So a lot of work to do here on Tau, but it looks like a reversal is forming. It hasn't broken out yet to confirm any reversal, but in my opinion, this has put in a local bottom down here at around $330. Also, some other AI coins, stuff like Cubic, still in consolidation around $5,000 per billion. Now, the AI sector in general is going to rip up if we have an Ethereum Spot ETF approval and bullish NVIDIA earnings. So there's a lot of options when it comes to AI. Go watch my last live stream, this one here. best AI coins to buy before the next crypto pump. I published this on May 19th on YouTube as well as X. So watch that live stream if you want my full take on the current stance of the AI market and what coins. But just a brief kind of overview right now. One that I think is a direct beta to Ethereum that I think will really perform better than ETH because it's AI is based AI. I view this as the Ethereum MEXC's AI exposure. Now, when it comes to based AI, how it works, it's from the original Pepe coins created by Ethereum developers in 2016. And when you stake Pepe coins, if you stake 1,000 Pepe coins, you basically get 2 based AI a day as rewards. That's how these coins are emitted. Every coin has emissions, right? Tau, Netmind, NMT had a problem with their miners, a miner hack or whatever. And that's why that huge dump happened on Netmind. So every coin has inflation. That's just how the game works. But anyways, based AI, I view this as the direct AI version of ETH. That's the way I have it in my head, at least. You might look at it differently. I don't care. This is the way I look at it. And again, all I do here on the channel is just share with you how I look at the market. So I think that based AI is a play. I think it will outperform Ethereum, given the fact that it is AI on ETH, basically. And they are building, they are developing. So anyways, Tau, Cubic, Netmind, based AI, a lot of really good options out there. Some other ones would be Prime. Even though Prime is primarily gaming, I still think Prime is going to outperform and reverse hard out of this demand zone. It put it in at around $14. So have your eyes on the AI sector of the market. I think a lot of these projects are going to do really well. And then one more would be OXO. And I made a video on this last week and it's bounced, but it is still in consolidation. And it looks very similar to a lot of these other AI charts in the sense that it likely has found a bottom and it's just waiting for the market to go ahead and turn around to begin its next leg up. So Ethereum in striking distance of a new all-time high, given a 75% chance of that ETF approval. Nvidia earnings tomorrow, and a lot of bullish factors, including the presidential election this year, which is big. And I think that the market most likely will be bullish until the election because they don't want people upset that their assets are losing value and they're losing money going into the election. They want positive voters. They want to buy votes. So when it comes to the election, this is updated on May 20th, which is yesterday. These are the live odds when it comes to the election. We can see the odds. Trump is number 1 plus 100. Biden number 2 at plus 110. Who's number 3? The dark horse of the race, Michelle Obama, plus 1800. The third highest odds to win this election this year. All right, people are saying, oh, Newsom. Look at the odds. Look at what Vegas is pricing in. Look at what I've been saying here on the channel. So what does this mean? It means that the political finance meme coin sector will heat up again. It will make a hard comeback. There's obviously coins like Geo Boden, 235 mil market cap. It bounced from 19 cents up to 34 cents, which is like a 60% bounce. And because this is a funny meme, I can see it doing well, right? Biden is infinitely memeable. So this is an option for you. There's other ones such as the Trump MAGA coin. There's a lot of derivatives of Trump coins nowadays. But this is the main one with the highest market cap, 350 mil market cap right now. It's trading for $7.54. This could be an option for you. This is all not financial advice, obviously. This is just for informational and educational purposes only. But then there's the dark horse. If we look at the odds, the dark horse is very obvious, right? Who's number 3? Michelle. Okay, so how can we play this in the crypto market? Well, pretty easy. There's a coin that exists actually. It's called Big Mike. Right now it's sitting at a $1.1 million market cap. Now this thing's been in consolidation for months. It looks bottomed out to me. Now Big Mike's a token I've been looking at for a long time. I first tweeted about it over here on the 13th of February, 2024. And then I also tweeted it out a few weeks later on the 1st of March. And at the time, the market cap was 329K. So if we look at this chart, looking at Big Mike, so my first tweet on the 13th of February, the market cap was around 340K. The second tweet over here, like 3 weeks later, was 330K. It went lower than these levels. It then exploded all the way up, crashed down. Now it's been in consolidation. But it never went as low as when I first started talking about it, and it's still up around 3x from those prices. And I think that this one's going to make a really, really big comeback as we head into the election. with, of course, these live odds telling us what Vegas is pricing in, what Vegas is expecting. It's going to be a really interesting time. All in all, I think the market will stay bullish leading into the election. I think we will have a good year, 2024 for crypto. It will continue. But this is what I'm looking at when it comes to the market. When it comes to ETH, again, we're in striking distance of that all-time high. If the ETF gets approved, it's going to be really, really bullish for the market. Have your AI coins locked and loaded, ready to go. We should have already done that, especially given the pullback we recently had. We've had a lot of time to prepare for this outcome of another higher leg in the market. I hope the bearish propaganda didn't get to you, and I hope you've been watching Crypto Empire, where we have stayed bullish and we called this ETH Spot ETF approval well ahead of time before the masses. Hope you enjoyed the video. So in this video, I went over the fact that there's a really good chance now that the ETH Spot ETF will get approved, and this is really bullish for the crypto market, especially for altcoins. Also, we have the NVIDIA earnings this week, and AI coins all looking to make some hard reversals to the upside. A lot of them have already started to put in some really, really good double-digit gains, and some triple-digit gains actually, percentage-wise, to the upside when it comes to AI coins. And of course, it's an election year, November 2024. Leading into the election, I am expecting a bullish crypto market. We're seeing one political party completely change their stance on crypto because they need votes. So everything is lining up for new all-time highs for Bitcoin, ETH, and altcoins this year. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.